Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Sense of belonging versus left out. Be like. Everyone has experienced this at least once, feeling like a part of the team or feeling like you accidentally joined the wrong group chat. One, birthday party. Everyone says you a slice of cake. The cake is gone and someone says you wanted some. Reason, feeling included makes people feel valued. Two, group chat. Your messages get replies. You send a message and hear digital crickets. Reason, interaction shows people care. Three, school project. Everyone shares the work. Your job is watching. Reason, participation creates a connection. Four, family dinner. Everyone asks about your day. Even the dog gets more attention. Reason, being heard feels welcoming. Five, video games. Comrades invite you to the squad. Sorry, lobby full. Reason, inclusion strengthens friendship. Six, workplace. You're invited to meetings. You learn about the meeting afterward. Reason, inclusion builds teamwork. Seven, sports team. Teammates cheer for you. They celebrate while you wonder what's happening. Reason, support boosts confidence. Eight, movie night. You help pick the movie. The movie starts before you arrive. Reason, shared decision create belonging. Nine, vacation plans. Everyone discusses destinations together. You discover the trip through photos. Reason, communication matters. 10. Lunch break. Comrades save you a seat. Every chair mysteriously disappears. Reason, small gestures feel meaningful. 11. Neighborhood event. Neighbors greet you warmly. You feel like a tourist on your own street. Reason, friendly interactions builds community. 12. Hobby club. Members teach, encourage you. Nobody explain the rules. Reason, guidance helps people fit in. 13. Holiday celebration. Everyone exchanges greetings. You wave and nobody notices. Reason, recognition creates a connection. 14. Team victory. Everyone celebrates together. You're still looking for the group photo. Reason, shared success brings people closer. 15. Everyday friendship. Comrades remember your name, interests, and stories. They introduce themselves to you every week. Reason, remembering people shows respect and care.